Ever wonder how a robot actually learns to do things? Like, how does it figure out how to walk without falling over, recognize faces, or even play a video game better than you? Robots learning new skills sounds like sci-fi, but it's happening right now thanks to something called machine learning. So, what exactly is machine learning? Well, teaching a robot is kind of like teaching a puppy new tricks, but instead of treats, we use data and code. It's a way for robots to learn from experience. Instead of programming every single step, we let the robot figure things out by trying different actions and learning what works. Think of it this way. It's like when we learn something new by practicing. Robots do the same thing, but instead of practicing laps on the track or piano scales, they use tons of data. Let's start with something basic. Walking. You'd think it'd be simple, but for a robot, it's actually a major challenge. Robots learn to walk through trial and error, just like a baby. It starts by taking a few steps, stumbles, falls, and then gets back up again. Here's how it works. The robot tries different ways of moving, and each time it stumbles, it takes note of what went wrong. Over thousands of tries, it learns to keep its balance and figure out the right way to move its legs. And unlike us, robots don't need snack breaks. They can just keep trying until they nail it. Now let's go a bit more high-tech, recognizing faces. Do you know how you can easily spot a friend in a crowd? Robots have to learn to do that too, but in a totally different way. When a robot learns to recognize faces, it's shown thousands of images of faces to build up its memory. It breaks down each face into features, like the shape of the eyes, the distance between the nose and mouth, and even small details like the curve of your eyebrows. Think of it like putting together a puzzle. Each feature is a puzzle piece, and when it all fits, the robot recognizes you. After seeing enough faces, the robot can match those features together. And when it sees you, it remembers who you are. And here's something even more fun. Robots playing video games. Just like us, robots get better at games with practice. But instead of taking days, weeks, or even years to improve, they can test thousands of moves in minutes, learning what works and what doesn't. Let's say a robot is learning to play a simple game like Pong. It starts off pretty terrible, missing the ball again and again. But every time it misses, it learns a little more about where to move and when. After a few hundred tries, the robot knows exactly when to hit the ball, until it's practically unbeatable. Here's what's fascinating. Robots learn in a way that's inspired by how humans learn. They get better with practice, they learn from mistakes, and they improve over time. But, unlike us, they don't get frustrated, bored, or tired. A robot can practice a new skill thousands of times in a row without taking a break. They just keep going until they get it right. So, while we're grabbing snacks or getting some rest, robots are just plowing through practice after practice. It's like having unlimited energy to learn new tricks. Pretty cool, right? So, there you have it. Robots learn new skills by trying, failing, and trying again, all thanks to machine learning. And as they get faster and better at learning, who knows what else they'll be able to do. What's one skill you'd want a robot to learn? Let us know in the comments. And if you're fascinated by how robots are shaping our world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun breakdowns of tech and science.